Welcome to Sparks Toyota. Here we have a 2017 Honda Pilot EXL. It has a clean one-owner Carfax and comes with power heated mirrors, chrome trim, deep tinted privacy glass, splash guards, and much more. 18-inch alloy wheels, all-season tires, speed-sensitive wipers, fully automatic daytime running headlamps with delay off, and a strong 6-cylinder all-wheel drive with only 52,474 miles. The power liftgate, the wiper, large LED brake lights, a very spacious cargo area with a third row seat, and a comfortable second row with climate control. We can't forget about the power sunroof, the front row power heated leather bucket seating, cruise, dual zone auto climate, a push button start, a garage opener, a locking glove box, a leather steering wheel with convenience controls, the multimedia touchscreen with Bluetooth, Sirius XM, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a backup camera to make backing up a breeze. Please let us know if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.